Risky, risky, yes, your body risky.
Risky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia C and today I am back with another video. Today's video will be the champagne look right here with a pop of color in my waterline. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue to watch. Before we get into this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. With that being said, let's get into this tutorial. So guys, I already did my brows off camera, so I'm just gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just gonna put that on my eyelids and I'm just gonna blend that out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette, and I'm gonna take this brown So Fetch right here. I'm gonna go in the same palette and I'm just gonna use this color Cocoa. I'm just gonna put it right in my crease. I'm gonna go back with the color So Fetch and I'm gonna put it right above here to soften the brown eyeshadow. I am gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and I'm just gonna use that to create a cut crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this palette, the Nubian by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna be using this color right here. I'm gonna put that on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna go back in with this brown color Cocoa and I'm just gonna put that right in my outer corner. I'm now gonna go in with my NYX Epic Ink liner and I'm just gonna line my eyelids. I'm just gonna go in with my Nivea cream and I'm just gonna moisturize my face. Taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just gonna highlight my face. Then I'm gonna go in with Toffee, and I'm just gonna use that to contour. Now I'm going to set my face using this Earthspun translucent powder. I'm gonna just use this e.l.f. setting spray to set my face. I'm gonna apply this NYX Ombre Blush in Nude to Me right on my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with my Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold, and I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Butter Lipstick in Sugar Wafer. I'm just gonna add this clear gloss on top of it. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in Black is Black. I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes. So I'm gonna take this blue eyeliner by Annabelle, and it's, I think the color is 108 Lapis, if that's how you pronounce it. And I'm just gonna put that in my waterline. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. Hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.